how to delete all of your chats or data from DeepSeek. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can delete all of your chats or data from your DeepSeek account. So if you wish to delete all of your chats or your data from the DeepSeek account without having to delete each of your chats one by one, then here is the trick using which you can actually delete your data within a few seconds. So for that, first head on to chat.deepseek.com and log in with your credentials. Now, once you are inside the DeepSeek and you see all of your chats, then instead of deleting them one by one, simply click over to these three dots present over your profile picture and then choose the settings option. Now, once you will choose the settings option, you will see this menu right here, and from here choose data. Within the data, you will see this option that says delete all chats. So from here, click onto this delete all button and it will trigger a warning that says once deleted, all chats will be cleared and cannot be recovered. To proceed, click onto this delete all chats and then you will see that all of your chats and data has been successfully deleted. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.